Man, shit getting crazy out there, man. I don't know about this, man. This 2020 shit ain't looking right. Shit ain't looking right. Dude, I mean, I don't know about y'all. Ain't been to the hairdresser in a while. I know if you can tell, my comb over done blew up. Had an accident at the homemade hair salon. Think caught my scalp on fire. Uh, yeah. I guess you can't use the hair dye, the hair gel, and the hair tonic all at the same time and put that heat and permanent setter hair dryer blower. The one comes down on your head and goes, and then 18 people come in and start asking you questions. Hey, I no, you. He's like, all you can hear is, sounds like a alligator eating a wombat or a mongoose. Just trying to inhale one of my own hairs. I mean, this coronavirus hitting. I've been in quarantine for 3 months and I ain't had a haircut in a year and a half. wait a minute. Let's do some quick maths here. Been 17 months, 14 days since I had a haircut, so I've been quarantined for 3.5 months. Oh well, whatever. Yeah. So apparently, a lot of folks from some of the videos I've been seeing have still managed to find some really strong weed. Especially when they're showing some of the stuff they're cooking up. They're like, man, I did not know that freeze-dried Pop-Tarts could taste so good. Like, man, there's some crazy shit going on in the world, man. They got locusts in downtown Nairobi, Kenya. And, like, I mean, what are they going to eat on the asphalt? there's approximately 1.7 billion locusts are flying through the middle of Nairobi, Kenya this morning in an unprecedented invasion of nature. And we're like, what the hell are they going to eat? I mean, ain't nothing. The only thing that even looks like a tree is like a fiberglass light post in Nairobi, Kenya. I mean, there ain't a tomato plant. There ain't a rhododendron. I mean, which I think is like the ugliest plant to put in your landscape anyway, but whatever. Yeah, we got into some sawbriars yesterday, I believe, and my sinuses, my face just blew up. Some kind of allergies. Well, look at that, would you? I mean, don't get me wrong. I was ugly before, but now I look like Shrek got in a boxing match with the Hulk, and did not win the prize fight. Knocked the color out of his skin, apparently. Oh man, why is it gonna come down to color? Okay, so I saw a picture of three grown men, and a fourth one was joining. Three grown men sitting on another human being, kneeling on another human being in the street, against a hard surface, implacable surface. Hard surface, the street. They were laying on a man like another human being, as if they were trying to wrestle a 1,000-pound crocodile or alligator, whether it was Steve Irwin in Australia or somebody in the American Everglades. 200 whatever pound man that's already handcuffed, and it looks like you're wrestling a 1,000-pound gator or crocodile. Really? Okay, you got him. Still got him. 5 minutes later, still got him. 7 minutes later, still got him. And I don't think he's going nowhere. 8 minutes, 46 seconds. Still got him. I think you're good. 8 minutes 46 seconds. That's trending now, in case you didn't know that. 8:46. And I think we should start setting alarms for 8:46 a.m. and 8:46 p.m. and share them. 1-minute videos, a moment of silence. George Floyd. George Floyd. 8:46 a.m. and p.m. My idea. Put it out there on Twitter. Just a moment of silence. Don't say anything. Just have somebody walk around doing a video. Oh, 8:46. Well, nobody say anything for a whole minute. 1 minute. Maybe we can change things for not forget what happened. 1 minute. That's all it takes. 2 minutes out of your days you want to do it AM and PM. 8:46. You can stay awake for 12 hours. Take a nap in the middle of the day. I'll give you permission. Set an alarm on your phone. And maybe the guy's doing the video, just caption it with his name. 8:46, 8 minutes 46 seconds. Show the picture of the officers. You can't see their faces, I don't think, but they're on this other human being who's already handcuffed, holding his body down on the ground. Well, I'd like to sing that song for you, but I can't get through it. But it's an old one. 8:46, 8 minutes 40 hashtag 8 men 46 seconds. Hashtag ICantBreathe. And those horrible people may have held you down, but well, ain't no green gonna hold my body down. Oh, ain't no green gonna hold my body down. 8:46 a.m. and p.m. We take care of one another. I'm at CNNTMOD, and that's at CNNTMod. CNN, my initials, T-Mod's nickname, the Master Disaster. Hopefully we can move forward from here. As human beings, the human race needs to get better. Hashtag ICantBreathe. Hashtag 8 men 46 seconds. 8:46 a.m. 8:46 p.m. Pull my hair out, like we all are. I don't know what we can do, but we can try to be here to help for one another. And maybe, just maybe, we can do something better about it tomorrow.